Hello students, this is question number 8 of IOQM 2025 and 26. And the question here it says, a quadrilateral has four vertices A, B, C and D. We want to color each vertex in one of the four colors red, blue, green or yellow so that every side of the quadrilateral and the diagonal AC have endpoints of different colors. In how many ways we can do that? So we can see that quadrilateral is being framed. So this is A vertex, another vertex is B, another vertex we have as C, and another here we have as D. So we can join these vertices. Now, we have to color these vertices as well, and along with that we have to see that diagonal AC should also have a different color. Now we can see for A, there will be four choices. So if A is having the four choices, then B we can talk about will be having total three choices because we cannot have a same color for these two. Now for C, it can be done in total two ways, and for D, again, this can be done in total two ways. So we cannot, so we can see that the total number of ways in which we can color, that will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. So that is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2 is 24, and 24 into 2 is 48 ways. So there will be 48 ways to color the the vertices such that no two will be having the same color at a time. Therefore, the correct answer has to be 48, and the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.